Which instrument has the funniest sound? 1. The tuba, a brass giant, produces deep tones that shift into comical burbles, echoing an elephant's joy. Its size belies its ability to create surprisingly silly sounds. 2. The slide whistle creates laughter with pitch-changing slides, capturing slapstick comedy. Its playful sounds are staples in comedy. 3. The kazoo, turning voices into vibrant hums, transforms melodies into light-hearted fun. Its simplicity masks its capacity for joy. Share your thoughts with us.